ahead and I started to show my whole algo trading process step by step live on YouTube every single day. And what came from that is I got really good at algo trading, even though I did not know how to code when I first got started. So everybody was like, Moondev, please, please build a boot camp or some way to teach this in short, concise videos because your lives, they're awesome, but you're in the middle of a project every single day. And I apologize for that. But in order for me to chase this guy who ran up a net worth of $31 billion, his name is Jim Simons. And in order for me to keep chasing him, I can't just sit here and make all of my YouTube lives teaching segment, right? So what I did is I put everything into a boot camp with short, concise videos that show you step by step how to automate your trading. Even if you don't know how to code, you can remove all of your emotions and automate your trading.
All right, so I'm back here and I'll go ahead and answer some questions here. So just keep them coming in as you have them and let me answer them. If you are ready to get started, there are only 3 spots left here. And if you want that bonus, just go to algotradecamp.com. Let me answer a couple questions. Okay, this is a good one. So, what is the best coding language to learn for algo trading? So, if you want to algo trade, the language that I use is Python. And I think Python is the best language to use because there's so many different tools that are already built for you. Most algorithmic traders do use Python as well. So, where to learn coding for algo trading? The great thing about this is if you join the bootcamp right now, by the end of the day, you could already learn the fundamentals of coding because I teach you step by step how to code in one of the first videos. If you already know how to code, don't worry about it though. You can just go ahead and step on the gas without me and just learn or you can just go learn the algo trading portion of this because, like you've seen before, there's a lot of experienced developers in here. If you want to pause this video, that are much better coders than I am. So if you already know how to code, I could save you hundreds of hours on the algo trading process. So let's see. Do you prefer trading crypto, forex, or stocks? I'll let that be up to you what you trade. I trade crypto just because I enjoy it and I've always had fun with crypto. But I think markets are markets, so it doesn't matter what you trade. Um, let's go ahead and keep answering some of these questions. If you do want to join, go ahead and click algotradecamp.com. There should be a link in the description below. I've got Claude Code here. I've got my Polymarket bots here. What is your refund policy for the bootcamp? So it's a 90 days, no questions asked refund policy. So yeah, there's no risk in it. So if you want to get started, you can just go ahead and join by going to algotradecamp.com, putting your name and email in there. If you have any questions, I'll let you know. Why don't you believe in trading by hand? I don't believe in trading by hand because it never worked for me. Like I would be profitable for a couple weeks, maybe a month, and then just have one terrible day. So what I came to the conclusion of is that, I'm not able to keep my emotions straight for 1,000 straight days. So it's just not for me. And I've heard the same story over and over again from other people. Like, yeah, I just get liquidated because I won't take profit. I won't put my stop losses on, etc. Do you need a computer science degree for this? No, absolutely not. I did not get a computer science degree. I learned everything by hand, by myself. And now I'm just going to make it so much easier for you, even if you don't know how to code. How do I get started with the algo trading journey? If I get the bootcamp for 1 month, will it be enough? Absolutely. So the bootcamp is 15 days. And if you go through that first 15 days, you can even watch the bootcamp twice in 1 month. So $69. It's crazy. So absolutely. Just go to algotradecamp.com and you can join. Machine learning. What's your opinion on machine learning and training? I think machine learning and training is extremely interesting and exciting. And I talk about it a bit in the boot camp. One quick little tip here is instead of trying to predict price, everybody's trying to predict price. I think a better way to do it from Dr. Ernest Chan, who I interviewed, he's one of the best algorithmic traders behind Jim Simons, is to predict when to run strategies. It's actually a different way of looking at it. So machine learning is awesome. I think you have to look at machine learning from a different way though. What do I need to download to start coding in Python? You just need to download Python, and I show you step by step how to do that. Do you use market orders or limit orders? So I use a combination of market orders and limited orders. If it's like a passive strategy, I'll use limit orders if I can just wait for the fills. And then if it needs to be an aggressive strategy, I'll use market orders. But obviously, I try to use limit orders as much as possible because it's less fees. But sometimes it's necessary on like closes and stuff. Like entries, it's easier to use limit orders, and closes, I'll try to use a limit, but I will hit a market order if the price is moving too fast. What brokers and exchanges do you use for algo trading? Right now, I'm big on Chain and then also Hyperliquid. So Hyperliquid, I think, is a really good exchange. That being said, I'm a little nervous of endorsing any exchange after what happened to FTX a couple years back. So I look at exchanges as